This world is more beautiful than we often remember. In every city, every road, every moment, there is a story of life moving gently forward. You can see how beautiful everything looks. The water, the trees, the flowers. That's to tell you that life is very peaceful and very beautiful. When you are feeling relaxed, just look at how beautiful the nature is. Wow, everything here looks so beautiful. Simple moments like this remind us that happiness doesn't have to be loud. The shapes of the buildings, the design of the cities, the way nature and human creation exist together. This is not just tourism, this is life experience slowly. Also want to tell you that traveling isn't always about distance. Sometimes it's about perspective, seeing beautiful where we once rushed past, feeling peace where there was once noise. The world offers calm for those who choose to notice it in the moments of people, in the flow of traffic, in the smiles of children, in the quiet balance of well-lived day. These moments remind us to slow down, to breathe, to appreciate, to remember that peace of mind is not a distance, it's a way of seeing beautiful things that God created. You also have to, enjoy the rest of the video, relaxing your mind, watching the beautiful view of everything. The nature, the sound of the birds, the waters, and everything, the mountains. There's a lot of beautiful things here in this video that you can enjoy. So thank you guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and grow with me. So thank you.